In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove buy and sell arrows in TradingView. If you're using TradingView to analyze stock charts or any other financial asset, these arrows can occasionally get in the way of your analysis or simply create unnecessary visual clutter. Thankfully, disabling them is a straightforward process that I'm here to guide you through. To start, you'll want to head over to your TradingView chart. If you're not already there, just log into your TradingView account and open the chart for the asset you're interested in. Once you've got your chart in front of you, you're ready to begin. The first thing you'll need to do is right-click anywhere on the chart. Remember, picking a spot free of other indicators or annotations might make this a bit easier, especially if your chart is a little busy. By right-clicking, a context menu will appear with various options. One of these options allows you to manage the buy and sell arrows. Next, you'll look for an option labeled Show Buy Sell Buttons. It's typically towards the middle of the context menu, and once you find it, all you need to do is uncheck it. This action will immediately toggle off the buy and sell arrows, leaving your chart cleaner and less cluttered. However, this isn't your only option to hide these arrows. Alternatively, you can click on the settings icon located on the right side of the screen. This icon usually looks like a small gear representing user preferences. Clicking this will open up a window with several tabbed categories for you to explore. In this new window, be sure to click on the Trading tab. It's usually among the last few options in the Settings menu. Once you're in the Trading section, you'll see the option to uncheck Buy Sell buttons there as well. Just as with the right-click method, unchecking this box will remove the buy and sell arrows from your chart view. Once you've unchecked the option using either method, go ahead and click OK to save your settings. This step is crucial because it finalizes the changes you've made, ensuring that the buy and sell buttons are hidden the next time you view your charts. By following these instructions, you should have a much clearer chart that allows you to focus on the details most relevant to your trading strategy or analysis. Removing these arrows can help create a more streamlined and efficient environment for studying market movements without distractions. And there you have it. You now know how to remove buy and sell arrows in TradingView, bringing your charting experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.